I will now give the floor to Mr. Carver for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. President. The situation in Yemen is particularly dire with today's news that the US, France and UK have all closed their embassies over major security concerns. The recent coup d'etat is one further event in a long line of political crises stretching back decades. Protests led by the Southern Democratic Assembly, who seek an independent, Aden-led South Arabia, have remained peaceful despite further violence breaking out across the country. I believe it vital to support their democratic aspirations for self-determination, to help secure a safe sovereign area in this crucially important strategic point. What the region needs now, more than ever, just like across the Gulf of Aden in Somaliland, is a beacon of hope to show what proud, moderate and globally engaged people can achieve. In South Arabia and Somaliland, we can have that possibility. Thank you.